So for Fluitec, the Fill4Life strategy is a strategy, in fact, which has started 25 years ago. And it started by understanding first the customers well, being intimate with them. And what we have seen is that over the last 10 years, with the background of sustainability and the importance of sustainability today in the world.
So last year, we actually filed for the Solar Impulse label, which is given to 1,000 companies worldwide for efficient solutions and companies that reduce human footprint. We received that award end of last year, so we are extremely proud of that.
It's clear that we are looking at treating the fluids and the turbine oils, compressor oils as an asset.
And to that, we can convert working fluids that are already deployed, and we can convert those fluids into a Fill4Life offering for customers that are already operating with their own fluids by bringing to bear our condition monitoring technologies, contamination control technologies, and additive packages.
So our mission is actually to extend the life of these lubricants and hydraulics. And we can do this through different means. So we can actually reduce the contaminants, we can add things that will prolong the life. So we have even our own turbine oil.
So Infinity is now, since 2 years, on the market and into the mostly focused on power generation and everything with rotating equipment. And our step there in the Fill4Life is that we are offering this product as an infinite lubricant which can be used for infinite time. It was a shock initially for a lot of end users by understanding that they can extend the life of their lubricants without having to change the lubricant.
No one else in the world has come up with a vision of trying to extend oil life so you can prevent oil changes. So I think it's a very, very strong, very bold vision.